watching this video. Best portable job site table saw.
It can be a bit tricky to find the best products with a wide range of options available. That's why we spent countless hours researching and analyzed many customer reviews in preparing this list. Our final rankings based on a number of factors, including the features of the product, value for money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. So, if you choose from our list, you can be sure that you buy a great product. If you'd like to see their price and find out more information, you can check out the links in the description down below. Let's get started with the list.
Best portable job site table saw.
Starting off our list at number 5.
Want a workshop that's portable? Then get the new Rockwell BladeRunner X2, the go anywhere, cut anything compact table saw. With breakthrough features like lightning fast blade changes and mess-free cuts, BladeRunner's always ready to slice your work time. We came, we sawed, we conquered. The affordable workshop for everyone and everywhere. Get yours today.
And these are our ratings for this product. At number 4. These are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list. These are our ratings for this product. At number 2. These are our ratings for this product. At number 1. These are our ratings for this product.
Best portable job site table saw.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products, leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.